Capturing the essence. Understanding, capture the ambience. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's often used in both everyday conversations and professional settings: capture the ambience. This expression is a beautiful example of how language can paint pictures and evoke feelings. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's important for mastering the English language. To capture the ambience means to record, describe, or represent the atmosphere, mood, or character of a place or moment so accurately that others can almost feel it themselves. It's about more than just the visual. It encompasses the sounds, smells, and overall feeling of being somewhere. This phrase is commonly used in photography, writing, and event planning, but it also appears in everyday discussions about places we visit and experiences we have. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. In photography, the photographer was able to capture the ambience of the bustling street market, making viewers feel as if they were there, hearing the chatter and smelling the spices. In writing, the author captured the ambience of the old library perfectly, describing the musty smell of books and the quiet whispers of its visitors. In event planning, our goal is to capture the ambience of a 1920s speakeasy, complete with jazz music, dim lighting, and vintage cocktails. These examples show that capturing the ambience is about creating a vivid, immersive experience for others, regardless of the medium. Understanding and using the phrase, capture the ambience, can significantly enhance your communication skills in English. It encourages you to observe and describe environments and experiences more richly and vividly. For language learners, practicing this can improve your descriptive vocabulary, make your storytelling more engaging, and help you express nuances in conversations about places, events, and experiences. We hope this exploration of capture the ambience has illuminated its meaning and importance in the English language. Whether you're describing a cafe you visited, a concert you attended, or a scene in a story you're writing, remembering to capture the ambience can bring your descriptions to life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more language tips with you. Happy learning!